Volvo has unveiled its highly anticipated all-electric sedan, the ES90, set to redefine the brand's future in the EV market. The 2025 ES90 marks a bold step forward in Volvo's commitment to sustainability and design excellence. This luxury sedan combines cutting-edge technology with Scandinavian minimalism, offering a glimpse into the next chapter for the iconic brand. At first glance, the ES90 carries the sleek, clean lines that Volvo is known for, with a distinctive modern aesthetic. The design is both elegant and understated, with a smooth, aerodynamic profile that hints at its electric powertrain beneath. The front end features a wide, streamlined grille, accompanied by sharp, angular headlights that create an imposing yet sophisticated presence on the road. Its proportions suggest a spacious cabin, designed to provide both comfort and utility for passengers. Underneath the sophisticated design, the ES90 is built on Volvo's new platform specifically developed for electric vehicles. This platform allows for enhanced efficiency and performance, with the ability to house larger battery packs for increased range. The ES90 is expected to offer impressive performance with rapid acceleration and a smooth driving experience. While precise performance details are yet to be fully revealed, the model will undoubtedly be geared for long-distance travel, making it a great option for those seeking an electric vehicle capable of handling extended road trips. Inside, the ES90 offers a minimalist yet luxurious cabin, focusing on comfort and tranquility. The interior is designed with sustainable materials, in line with Volvo's dedication to reducing its environmental impact. Large touchscreen interfaces dominate the center console, offering a seamless user experience with intuitive controls. The cabin is spacious, with ample legroom, especially in the rear, and premium materials used throughout, including high-quality leather and wood accents that create a serene atmosphere. Volvo is also pushing the envelope with the ES90's technology. The sedan will come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including enhanced autonomous driving capabilities, making it one of the safest vehicles on the road. Additionally, the ES90 will feature over-the-air updates, ensuring the car's systems remain up to date with the latest features and improvements. In terms of sustainability, the ES90 is part of Volvo's ongoing commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. The fully electric powertrain eliminates emissions and helps Volvo move closer to its goal of being a carbon-neutral company by 2040. With its stunning design, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability, the Volvo ES90 promises to be a game-changer in the luxury electric vehicle market. It represents a bold step into the future, aligning Volvo's legacy with the demands of the modern world.